So starting off with the packaging, it came in this cute purple box. It was wrapped up really nice. So inside the packaging was a wig cap, some clips, a wig band or like a melt band, the wig. It's Afro curly in 20 inches. And this is what the construction looked like. You can't really see it that well, but it has a string that separates the U part. And in the next clip, you're gonna be able to see it a lot better. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig here. It has combs, adjustable strap, and a drawstring. So I'm gonna put it on really quickly. Have to put it on quick because, and don't laugh at my little hair. I got a little, yeah. But I gotta do this kind of quick because I have somewhere to be. I'm gonna try to style this as quickly as possible. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's actually not too bad. It's actually like really cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna clip my hair out the way really quickly. So I already washed it. So now I'm just going to, I guess, define it just a little bit and maybe shape it.
Back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming?
Okay, so this is what we're looking like kind of compared to this side. This side is just still kind of flat and this one has a little bit of layers to it. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side and then come back. Okay guys, so this is shaped on both sides. So now I'm really just gonna define the curls. So I'm gonna saturate all of this. Then I'm gonna put this curl cream in here just to define it a little bit. As you can see, the curls are defined. They're clumping together, which is great. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side and then come back. Okay, so now that the curls are defined, I'm just gonna start diffusing. I don't have time for it to air dry. So I'm mainly gonna dry like around the top where my natural hair is gonna go, underneath, just so my natural hair doesn't like puff up.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only.
Okay, so it's like 50% dry. I will let the rest of the time be air dry because I gotta go. So I'm just going to take out my real hair and blend that. This is gonna be the crazy part. So I'm just using a little bit of oil to unravel my real hair. I had already put some of the curl cream that I used on the wig. I had already put this on my real hair. So we're gonna see.
Let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's a feeling that I get.
Somewhat of a blend.
Weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other.
Okay, so in order to blend, I'm just going to kind of twist my real hair with the wig.
Tell a girl I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know.
And this is what the blend looks like, which definitely is a lot better than this side. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the next side. Okay, so the final step would just be to add my edge control.
So much to live for, true, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Say the kid get older, forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers.
So this is what my hair looks like, all blended.
Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion.
So yeah, this is it. I'll probably show you guys a clip with my hair completely dry, so you can just see like what it's giving.
I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go.
But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.